and welcome to today's little escapade. As you can see, I've got myself a little car. I've got a little Fiat 500 for the weekend, and I'm going to take full advantage of it and this glorious sunshine by going to West Wittering Beach. Now, if you know the beach, you know it's absolutely stunning, flat sand beach as far as the eye can see. At this time of the morning, there's not so many people about, the usual dog walkers, I suppose, and probably the odd metal detecting enthusiast, but it's going to be a lovely day. The light is fantastic, and I really want to show off my latest swimming or bathing costume. Haven't had the opportunity so far this year to wear it, so let's hope the sun stays out for at least another 3 or 4 hours.
It may seem like you're under some kind of a spell. You're walking on sunshine, feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It really is just me. You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above. You're riding high and your heart is full of love. You're bubbling over with joy, just like a child with a brand new toy. It's so unreal that you can't see that it's just me. It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. You've been civilized, baby. Welcome to civilization. Hey, said it ain't the weekend, and it ain't the wine. Said it's not the food you eat making you feel so fine. It's not your favorite song playing on the radio. It's not a hard day's work or a good night's sleep. No, darling, it's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. Now you go about your day, caught up in a trance. Your head over heels, daydreaming about our romance. You're over the moon, running around, singing my tune. You think it's a fantasy, oh darling, it's just me. It's just me. Really, baby, it's just me. It's just me. Oh, it's just me.
Welcome back. I'm just about making my journey on the way home, having got rid of what I think was about 2.5 tons of sand between absolutely every single orifice on my entire body, I think. But that's the joys of having a sandy beach, isn't it? Right, just trying to negotiate this roundabout. It's like a typical blonde. I can't do more than one thing at a time. Driving is something that I'm a little bit out of practice on, if I'm really honest. So let's try and wrap this video up, shall we? I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun to make. It's lovely to get out and about, particularly this time of the year where the sun's coming out after what seems like forever here in the UK. As As you know, I've just come back from Thailand and started to get used to it being very, very warm during the day there, and to come back to the UK where it's a little bit cold was a little bit depressing, but now this sun is out, I feel my spirits are lifted and I'm full of enthusiasm. So, in summary, thank you very, very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please do kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and if there's anything that you would like to see me filming going forward, I'm always interested in your ideas. If there's a place to visit, some clothes to review, makeup, whatever it might be, it makes my job a little bit easier because I don't have to think about all the ideas and try and keep things interesting, new and fresh, as they say. So I'm going to really enjoy the experience of having a little bit of a car and being a bit more mobile this weekend. Hopefully I can get quite a few different videos shot. So thank you very much again for watching. Please take care, stay gorgeous, and until the next time, bye bye.